Okay, so I'm going to show you how to fix up your grade assignment, doing your grade. You need to have zeros or whatever your score is in all these columns. I like how this is all color-coded, so we have all the assignments are in yellow. You have all of the discussions in turquoise. You got the final in green, my T-Lab in fuchsia, and all the quizzes in red. Very nice. Now up here we just need to put in the formulas. So instead of these 100%, which is what we're ultimately going for, right? I'm going to delete that and delete all of these things because we actually need formulas here. And the formula we need here is to find the average of all of these. So I'm going to use the average formula right there and say, give me the average of that. So I just did that with point and click, and it should say equals average colon B11 semicolon, no, sorry, equals average parentheses B11 colon B26, or whatever your range is for your assignments. Hit enter, calculates it because I don't have anything in there. But as I start putting stuff in there, you'll see that it's not giving me the right results because these need to be percentages. So I change those to percentages, make these 100, and now it's calculating the right result. I'm going to do that now for each of these other ones. For the quizzes, I want the average, and I want the average of this area right here. Enter. And again, all of these actually have to be formatted as percentage. So formatted them as percent. And up here it should say 0%, but if I enter a few scores, then I got those percentages. Same with my T-Lab. I could actually, my T-Lab's one thing, so I just type the equal sign, say, hey, it's equal to whatever score I put there. And same with discussions. I need the average of my discussions, so put the average. And grab that, hit enter. And now I could test that just to see if it's calculating. Good. And for the final, it's just going to be equal to whatever I entered in my final score right there. And now I need to write the formula for calculating my grade. To do that, I need the syllabus. So I will open up the syllabus. And let me go to, you could find the syllabus in Blackboard. Here it is. And here are the different categories. So assignments are 40%, that kind of stuff. Let me put this over here. All right, so I need to start entering my formula. My formula is going to be equal to parentheses, whatever I got on my assignments times 0.4. That's how I earn 40% of my grade, plus whatever I got on my Blackboard quizzes times 0.2. 0.2, because that's worth 20% of my grade, plus whatever I got on my T-Lab times 0.15, because that's worth 15% of my grade, plus whatever I got on discussions times 0.15, because that's equal to 15% of my grade, plus whatever I got on the final times 0.1, because that's worth 10% of my grade. So there's my formula. Check it out. Hit enter, and it should calculate correctly what your score is in the class. Okay, hope that helped.